Hello folks, welcome to Cyberblogs. In our previous video, we have seen what is an UTXO and the working principle of UTXO model. In this video, we will see the working principle of account model. So if you have not watched my previous video, please go and do watch that video because this video is going to be an extension of continuation of that video. I will provide you the link in the description. You can just go and watch that video first. So let's get started with this video. Account model is utilized by one of the most popular blockchain networks known as Ethereum. And this account model works exactly as our banks. So let's see this with an example how it works. Let's stick with our previous example. There is some person called Itachi and he has a younger brother known as Sasuke. And there is one merchant called Danzo. Now Itachi in his wallet he has some some ethers, say 12 ethers ETH, and Sasuke has no money in his account, say 0 ETH. ETH stands for Ethereum, so we are talking about account model, so we'll take an example of Ethereum which uses account model. Now Sasuke wants to buy Sharingan from Danzo. Each Sharingan costs 6 ethers. As Sasuke does not have the enough ether, he will ask his brother to lend him some ethers to buy Sharingan. Now what will happen? Unlike UTXO model, here it will exactly work like a bank. Now what will happen? From his account, he can send 6 ethers to Sasuke's wallet. Now what will happen? This 6 ethers will get minus from that 12 and he will be remaining with 6 ethers. And Sasuke's wallet will be getting added with 6 ethers. So in this process we don't have that extra computation of UTXOs. Let's summarize that. In Itachi, Sasuke, Itachi had 12 ethers initially. When he gave 6 ethers to Sasuke, then 6 ethers will get minus from his account. Then he will be left with 6 ethers in his account. And Sasuke, as he sent 6 ethers to Sasuke's account, then Sasuke will have 6 Ethereums in his wallet. So there is no concept of UTXO in between getting destroyed and creating that. That is not there. This is being done like mathematically, like our casual banks that do. Account model is more flexible for smart contracts and implementing the complex transactions, as it does not require the extra computation to update the value in the account. If you don't know what is a smart contract, then think of a smart contract as an executable script that runs on blockchain. So we will make a dedicated video for the smart contract. How does smart contract get created and executed? We will see that in the future. For now, you can imagine this as it is an executable script that get executed on blockchain. That's it for this video. Thank you, and for more such videos please do like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.